High above us in the Earth's atmosphere lies a protective layer of gas called the ozone layer. It is vital for life on our planet. This shield, made up of ozone molecules, plays a crucial role in filtering out harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Without the ozone layer, life on Earth would be exposed to dangerous levels of UV radiation. The ozone layer sits in the stratosphere, a layer of the atmosphere that starts about 10 kilometers above the Earth's surface and extends up to 50 kilometers. Ozone itself is a special kind of oxygen molecule. While the oxygen we breathe has 2 oxygen atoms, ozone has 3. This unique structure allows ozone to absorb most of the sun's harmful UVB radiation. UV radiation is harmful because it can damage the delicate molecules in our bodies, like DNA. Overexposure to UVB radiation can lead to skin cancer, cataracts, and weakened immune systems in humans. It can also harm plants and animals, disrupting ecosystems and food chains. The ozone layer acts like sunscreen for our planet, protecting all living things from these harmful effects. Throughout the 20th century, human activities began to have a detrimental effect on the ozone layer. The release of certain man-made chemicals into the atmosphere, particularly chlorofluorocarbons, led to the depletion of ozone in the stratosphere. CFCs were widely used in refrigerators, air conditioners, aerosol sprays, and industrial processes. These chemicals, while seemingly harmless at ground level, rise into the stratosphere where they are broken down by the sun's UV radiation. This process releases chlorine atoms, which react with and destroy ozone molecules. Each chlorine atom can destroy thousands of ozone molecules, leading to a significant depletion of the ozone layer over time. The discovery of the ozone hole over Antarctica in the 1980s served as a stark warning of the damage being inflicted upon this protective shield. The ozone hole, a region of severely depleted ozone, forms over Antarctica during the southern hemisphere's spring from August to October. In response to the alarming depletion of the ozone layer, the international community took unprecedented action. In 1987, world leaders signed the Montreal Protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer. This landmark environmental treaty aimed to phase out the production and consumption of ozone-depleting substances, primarily CFCs. The Montreal Protocol is hailed as a remarkable success story in international cooperation. Countries around the world came together to address this global environmental challenge. The protocol's provisions have led to the phase-out of over 99% of ozone-depleting substances. As a result of these collective efforts, the ozone layer is showing signs of recovery. Scientists estimate that the ozone layer is on track to return to pre-1980 levels by the middle of the century. The Montreal Protocol serves as a shining example of how decisive action and global collaboration can protect our planet. While the recovery of the ozone layer is a testament to human ingenuity and cooperation, our work is not done. We must remain vigilant in protecting this vital shield that safeguards life on Earth. Each and every one of us can contribute to the continued recovery of the ozone layer. Be mindful of the products you use. Check labels and choose products that are ozone-friendly and do not contain ozone-depleting substances. Properly dispose of old appliances like refrigerators and air conditioners, ensuring that the refrigerants are captured and recycled responsibly. Support policies and initiatives that promote ozone layer protection and the phase-out of harmful substances. Encourage your communities and governments to prioritize environmental sustainability and the responsible use of chemicals. The future of our planet depends on the choices we make today.